Hi! In this video, I want to show you how to make your labeling more productive and simple. You already know how to create a fixed label. Now, let's see how to approach labeling if you have more than one product or multiple product variations. You don't want to end up with hundreds of label variations. The simplest solution is to use an Excel spreadsheet for all label data. There are several columns for different label objects and multiple rows for different products. When you create a new product, you just add another row to the spreadsheet instead of creating a new label. And if you need to change the label layout, you only change one template instead of hundreds. Here's how to modify your existing label and turn it into a template that you can use for multiple products. We'll use the wizard to make a connection to the Excel file. Browse to find the file. And select the columns you need on the label. I'll just add all the columns. My label is already designed, so I'll manually connect the Excel columns to label objects. I'll now change the product name from fixed text to a variable. The question marks note that this is a variable field. I can then repeat the same process for other objects. When I want to print the labels, NiceLabel prompts me for the products I want to print. We're now using the same universal template to print labels for all products.